All right, we are Team Honey Badgers, and the project we worked on is the consumable scale. And our team was David Stanley, myself, James Kleinschnitz, Lance Wynn, Montana Hamilton, and B. Chris Ross. So the idea here is you have a scale, and based on the weight of an individual item, we can determine how many of that item you have. And as people consume that item, we can then determine a real-time on-hand count, and then based on a threshold, we can determine then when you need to reorder it. So for this example, we'll start off with pucks, some air hockey pucks. So we're going to go put that, and we can either enter the value to say how much it weighs, or we can just pull the value. So right away we pulled the value, and we can see we have one on hand. And as we continue to add, hold on a second, and let's put the threshold of 3. So we're going to say our reorder threshold is 3. So we have 2 on hand, we're still good. 3, we still need to reorder. Boom. Now we have 4, we've gone above threshold. So our state is go. Good. So let's say we wanted to use the same scale to measure a different type of consumable. For the sake of showing how granular it is, we're going to do a piece of paper. Let's do 20 for the reorder limit. Or 30, 20, 30, whatever. So as you can watch, as Montana puts on, each individual piece of paper is getting registered.
A few more. A lot more.
So if you were to put that in a printer or something.
30. 38, we're all good. And as he pulls off the pieces, we see it real-time update the size.
That way when you run out.
And then to show, so all that information is going to pipe back into the Cireson Platform, and then the Cireson Platform pushes it out via OData, which means we can actually connect to it via any household Microsoft app called Excel, and pull in data right into Excel and build some charts off of it.
So if we look at our data, we can see the number on hand versus the number available.
What are the 2 bars? Is one the pucks?
No, one's threshold and one's
Oh, okay.
Oh, did you take some off of there?
threshold
It's
and
15
amount.
on hand.
15 on hand, that's the green.
And the red is the.
Oh.
I'm not an Excel expert.
No,
Now they're
no,
Keeps
20.
adding. There we go, 21
Yeah, that's something that we produced yesterday.
and 21.
21, and so. Oh, and it'll work with BI too. Business Intelligence should be able to connect. And
Power BI.
Power BI.
We can,
This
upload.
is Power Query that's doing this. So.
And now you can do things like measure pucks and number of papers. So one puck weighs the same as 2 pieces of paper.
Wow, that's life. Roughly do 2 pucks weigh 4.
That's it.
Why don't you give a use case on like an enterprise company?
You could weigh cars.
That's exactly what
How many
the
cars do
trucking
I
scales
have?
You
do.
could have if you had a scale that was sitting under reams of paper, so when you would know when you got through the last, there's only 1 ream left, it's time to reorder.
Factories, maybe if you've got large bins of nuts and bolts or consumable items that go into
Things
manufacturing.
are hard to count.
Paper clips.
Warehouse.
But a school drive does all this heavy
Ideas, if you've got a lot of
maybe you build it
ideas.
into a printer, and then the printer right there knows how much
Anything
exactly
that's
how much
hard to
paper it
print.
has.
You win the jelly bean game every damn time.
I don't need Survey Monkey, I just need pieces of paper for votes. I got them all.
All right, guys.
Team Honey Badger out.
Good job.
Good job.